Plants make up the bulk of the living world. The fruits and vegetables that we eat come from plants and trees, thus we depend on them for our nutrition. We receive oxygen from plants and we release carbon dioxide to them. They create most of the world's oxygen or the atmosphere. Here are some fascinating, interesting and informational facts about them. Amazon rainforest produces 20% of the world's oxygen. Oaks are the most lightning-struck trees. Bamboo grows 35 inches in a day, making it the fastest-growing woody plant. Tulip bulbs in Holland were worth more than gold in the 1600s, causing the Dutch economy to fall. The majority of plants, 85%, are located in the water, which is perhaps why the oceans are the most important source of oxygen. Almost 90% of the food we consume is made up of plants. In Australia, there is a tree that is called Gympie Gymple and it generates a poison that is so severe that it has led humans and animals to commit suicide. Plants can actually sing, even though they cannot talk. Plants also have senses as they can feel, see and smell. Counting the rings in a tree's trunk gives an estimate of its age. Plants are also used to make medicines such as digoxin for heart problems, vincristine for cancer therapy, ergot for pulsing headache alleviation, and so on. About 170,100 pencils can be made from a simple mature tree. Elephant grass in Africa can grow to 4.5 meters, high enough to hide an elephant. Plants have developed defensive mechanisms to deal with the high number of predators they face. Onions act as natural sedatives if eaten in large quantities. The list of known plant species is around 300,000 and growing. The world's oldest living things are trees. Caffeine functions as an insecticide for coffee plants. Plants don't have noses, yet they use airborne compounds to smell. Arabic for fingers is banana.